It went like this. I wake up, I see a box. What is it doing here? I have no idea, but it will be explained later. I turned off the light, left the room, and locked the door. I was playing checkers on the floor tiles in my mind. I called the elevator, and while waiting, enjoyed a beautiful April spring morning. Ooh, there will be pest control in the dormitory soon. I will have to tidy up the room. I caught the last city bike. Here's a quick guide on how to ride with a backpack. You need a bike with a front rack and bungee cords to secure it. Then you are ready to explore the world. To get under this bridge without stopping, you have to be clever. Stay in first gear and go very slowly. Overall, my commute is quite good. Most of it is bike paths, except the one tricky section with a dangerous turn and low visibility. Sometimes life is uphill, but you just have to keep going, especially on such a beautiful Friday. Welcome to my kitchen. First quick keyboard warm-up. Please turn up the volume to hear the beautiful sound of coffee being made. Time to get to work. Today I took over a project from a colleague who recently left. I need to fix a specific issue. The app only runs on Windows in one specific browser. The system is critical, related to public key infrastructure, so please don't disturb me now. Here is a curiosity, a first generation Raspberry Pi. More coding, getting familiar with the project, and writing some mini documentation in README. Talking about the pros and cons of city cycling. On one hand, it's great for health. On the other, you are breathing in exhaust fumes and it's loud. But it's worth it when you see the buses stuck in traffic. Finally, the mystery of the box. I bought an ironing board. That's what was in the cartoon. I also worked on a study project. Just a reminder, I'm responsible for a gateway on a Raspberry Pi for passing messages between pagers. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. Since this Pi isn't exactly quite fast, I code on my laptop, connect remotely, and use the rsync command to synchronize. Rsync is great because it only transfers files that have changed or are new, so you don't have to recopying everything. That's it for project work today. It's Friday, so time to slow down, clean up, and go for an evening walk. The advantage of evening walks is that it's quieter and prettier in its own way. The night lights really do the job. Look at these tiles moving in the wind.